Want to spice up this year's cookie swap? I'm about to take some store-bought cookie dough and turn it into something way cuter using my laser. Today, we are making some custom cookie presses. This is going to totally level up your holiday baking and make it look like you actually planned ahead this year. So let me show you how easy this one is. For this project, you're gonna need some acrylic. That's it, just acrylic. I mean, you're gonna need some like cookie dough and sprinkles too, but like that's for later. So for these, you are going to want some simple designs. We are working with a very small canvas when it comes to cookies, so don't overcomplicate the cookie press with a bunch of details. So I did a Santa Claus, a snowflake, a Christmas tree, and a monogram. Easy peasy, and it took less than 2 minutes to cut all 4 of these out on the laser. So let's get these into the kitchen, wash them up, and I'll show you how to use them. Now, I had every intention of making these cookies from scratch for this video. I'm talking like mixing bowls out, flour everywhere, the whole Martha Stewart vibe. But between all the orders I have to get out in the shop and trying to keep this 12 Days of Christmas series on track, we're just gonna have to go with store-bought cookies today because scratch cookies just aren't happening. All right, these cookies are kind of small, so I'm just gonna combine a couple of them, press them out. The cookie presses are about 3 inches. They're not about 3 inches, they are 3 inches. So you want your cookie to be at least that big. All right, so you're gonna take your first press and you're gonna give it a nice firm press right into the cookie. There's our Santa Claus. So I'm just giving it a nice firm press and I'm pressing on the middle part too to make sure that gets down into the cookie. And you can spray your cookie press with some cooking spray before you put it on the cookie. So there's our monogram. All right, next up is our Christmas tree. Again, nice firm press. And then our snowflake. This one might be a little bit too detailed, but we're gonna give it a go. Oh, that turned out nice. All right, let's pop these in the oven. Now here is a fun twist. You can use the cookie press as a stencil. You just want to lay it on top of the cookie or a brownie and just dust some powdered sugar right over the top. When you lift it off, it leaves a really pretty little pattern. So it's going to work on any flat top dessert, not just cookies or brownies, and it'll work on cakes and pies too. You can also use it with sprinkles too. Now obviously some designs are going to do better with the powdered sugar and the sprinkles, but you get the idea. So I hope you give this one a try. It makes your holiday baking look like you spent way more time in the kitchen than you actually did. I hope I provided some inspiration for you today. If I did, poke that like button, poke that subscribe button. And if you're catching this series in the middle, make sure you check out the rest of the 12 Days of Christmas playlist. There are tons of fun projects, and I will see you tomorrow for the next one.